Welcome to the awards session of the IEEE Services 23. In this session, we are going to celebrate with the winners of several inspiring awards. So we first start with IEEE TCS VC Awards. Please join me welcome the Associate Executive Chair of IEEE TCS VC, Michael Shen.
So happy to be here. I'm Michael Shen, is a Vice Chair IEEE TSC TCS VC. So Shang Guang is not here today. So as a Vice Chair, so I'm happy to announce the winners for this year's awards. So we have, before we start, I think first of all, I really want to take the opportunity to thank nominees and recommenders and also the judges for their hard work. So we have a few awards: Outstanding Leadership Awards, Research and Innovation Awards, Outstanding Service Award, Rising Star, and also Women in Service Computing Awards. So next, I will announce the winners. So first, I think the Outstanding Leadership Award 2023 goes to Gopa Pingali from Accenture. So congratulations. So next award is Research Innovation. 2023 award goes to Ke-Qing Lee from State University, New York. So I believe Ke-Qing also is not here today. So next slide. So we have Rising Star Awards. This year goes to Zhe Hui-Xiong from Singapore University Technology and Design. Congratulations. Yeah, so next one, Women in Service Computing Award 2023 goes to Manar Abu Talib from University Sharjah. This year, we have two winners for Outstanding Service Awards. So the first one goes to Shiyong Lu, Wayne State University. Congratulations, Shiyong. The second one goes to Fabio Franti from University of Milan. So he's here today. So please come to the stage.
Thank you very much. Being here in presence, you need a better phone, right?
Yeah, this is mostly. Okay.
Exactly.
Well, good morning, everyone. My name is Tim Bonneman. I'm with IBM Research. We're very excited for the inaugural IEEE Symposium on Open Source Science that happened here. And I invite you all to join us at opensource.science. Some of you have had a chance to pick up the t-shirts. There's like a couple left. And with that, I hand it over to the announcements of the OSS Awards this year. Thank you very much.
Okay, so it's the time to announce the awards for OSS, which is Open Source Science. And this is built on the successful experience we had last year. So this is the second edition. And with the focus of the scientific advancement, we received several applications that shows the high awareness of the great efforts in the open source in different application and fields. Next slide. We are very thankful to the team who evaluated these applications, diversity from academia and research and industry. And we have used several metrics. We looked to the GitHubs and we have seen the number of downloads and the number of forks that shows the active applications and the active development from the team. And we evaluated based on the novelty and the impact of the community. And we have tried to see even the results that has been implemented by several use cases. Next. So we have two categories. We have the academic and the professional. The academic, we have three winners, and the first winners for this academic category goes to the Lowell Hang. The size is not big, but I will use my slides. So it will go to the Louis Hang, Yunatuba, Yampulu, Kiging, he, and Dewey Lee for a suite of human mobility prediction algorithms. So their work have designed and implemented practical deep learning models, making a trade-off between prediction, performance, and training efficiency, which will help real life scenarios. Next, please. The second will go to the academic category, but they did the work with the industry with Xia Mao, Yiving, Shen, Rongsang, Quiz, Xiu, Zhao Li, and Hang So for easy, robust, a comprehensive and easy-to-use toolkit for robust and generalized vision. And it is a collaboration with the Alibaba Group from contributors from Zhejiang University and Tsinghua University. In their work, we have really integrated a good number of data sets and attack algorithms for robustness evaluation. We have used 27 methods and more than 20 models. Next. The third winner in the academic category, also done with the industry, goes to the Hajar Ben Mizian, Kauthar al-Maghrawi, Corey Lamy, Rembe Pat, Malti Research, Manuel Lee Jalo, Hisino Tisai, Abu Sebastian, and Fujay Noriana, goes for analog NASA flexible and modular analog neural architecture search library. That's a collaboration from the University of Polytechnique, Haute-Saint-Denis, France, and IBM. So the team really provided a nice framework that accelerates the discovery of efficient and effective neural network architecture for in-memory computing. Next. The other category is the professional, and we have received several submissions from IBM, and we got a winner from IBM in the professional category that goes to Kauthar al-Maghrawi, Malti Rashi, Manuel Lee Gallo, Bordeaux, Julian Bushel, Charles Mackan, Corey Lamy. I think it's a good number of contributors that shows the high work done in this, and we have high number of downloads and a high number of stars, and they have a media recognition plus multiple of publications for the analog in-memory hardware acceleration, open source, and the cloud platform, and intensive IBM teams from USA, Switzerland, and Spain. Next. The next in the professional category, it's a mix of industries that really implemented a nice open source for health sector called Declaimed, the open source framework for building course-against operators for accelerated discovery in science. And they did a successful use case study in University Hospital Basel in Switzerland. And thanks and congratulations to Romeo Kensler, Rafli Siakhan, Jerome Nelemir, Ivan Nisik, and Ibrahim Haddad. Next. And the last winner in the professional category goes to the Luciano Bello for Qiskit open source framework for quantum computing. This is in the field of the quantum. And it is an open source software development framework that enables users to explore, implement, manipulate, optimize, stimulate, and visualize quantum circuits and algorithms. Really, congratulations for all winners for these great applications and research and development that impacted the community in a huge sense. And we wish you all the best. And we see you in the next year for more applications and fields and innovative development for open source.
Thank you, Manar. I just wanted to say a few words as the general chair of the first Open Source Science Symposium. Really appreciate everybody who came to our plenary panel, our sessions. We have one more talk which we need to fit in the program by Oscar Alec from University of Santa Cruz, who is an expert of visualization. So we'll add it to the program, and I hope you guys join us there. And I think this will become a tradition. So really, thank you for everyone who contributed, and we hope to that next year Open Source Science Symposium will be even stronger and bigger. And congratulations to all the winners. We have some of them in the room, so congratulations.
Hi, everybody. This is from IEEE Digital Health. It's one of the conference of IEEE Services Congress. And this particular part is dedicated to, I would say, a National Science Foundation. And IEEE Digital Health, that's the conference. We have a big committee we'll go over. But this particular one, we wrote a grant to NSF. We got it to support students' research projects. So here, I'm Sheikh Iqbal Ahmed, and my co-PI Shahriar is here. For the IEEE Digital Health, it started like about 4 years ago, but in mainstream, last 3 years, particularly past 2 years, with the help of the steering committee, Carl Chang, Ernesto, and a few other people, we were able to organize. But particularly this year, a couple of people really helped. Graziano, who is here, he's one of the program chair, Shahriar. So we got about 90 papers. From there, we selected, the top 10. And from those top 10, also a committee kind of picked from those 10 presentation. So this from 90 to 10 and from 10 to this 3. So I'm just going to announce the name and we'll send the award later. But the way it works is that we cannot give cash prize, but the prize you can buy equipments and other things with this amount of money. So first prize, the title is blood glucose prediction. You have seen this is from Duke University. Congratulations. They will be getting $1,000 equivalent of award. Our second prize goes to self-sovereign identity in semi blockchain, using blockchain. That's from Vanderbilt University. And the third prize goes to, for the COVID prediction, University of Virginia. That's the group. So congratulations again for joining, for submitting papers and everything. And we'd like to grant our gratitude to NSF, obviously, Services Congress, IBM, and everybody. With this, I thank everybody, particularly for our IEEE Digital Health section. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you very much. Welcome. This part of the award session is related to the best paper, best students papers of the 6th collocated conference. I'm here with Jing Fan, the Congress program co-chair with me this year. This is for sure one of the best sessions in the conference. We are happy to present them. Before going straight to the award, I would like to thanks a lot all the officers and people that contributed to the success of this year. You see all the conferences that are listed in alphabetical order. Thank you, in addition to the officer, to Rong and to Geoffrey for contributing to the organization. In this slide, in addition to the name of the officer, the program chairs and the general chairs that you perfectly know, there are also the acceptance rate for the full papers this year. It is quite difficult to read, but IEEE Cloud is around 20%. We have an exceptional acceptance rate for this year. We have Edge with 16.8. Sorry if I'm mistaken in some number. We have then the IEEE conference on digital health with 24%, and the last three, the ICWS with around 19%, 19.8, 25% for the QSW, and finally 40% for the IEEE International Conference on Services, on Software Service Engineering. Okay, so we have one slide for a set of slides for each conference, and again in an alphabetical order we will go through the awardee. I will do my best to pronounce as best as I can all the names of the awardees. Without further ado, for the IEEE Cloud Conference, the Best Student Paper Award goes to Storm RTS, Stream Processing with Stable Performance for Multi-Cloud and Cloud Edge, with I. Nguyen as the author. Probably, yes, there is an error. There is also a co-author that was added, and this is the awardee for the IEEE Cloud Conference Best Student Paper Award. So going ahead with the Best Paper Award, we have IRIS, Interference and Resource-Aware Predictive Orchestration for Machine Learning Inference Serving. And you see I let you read all the authors, Angelos Ferkigoglu, Panos Chrysomeris, Achilleas Tsenetopoulos, Manolis Katsagarakis, Demonstrati Mazorus, and Dimitros Souroudis. Okay, thank you very much. Going ahead, for the IEEE Edge papers, the award goes to, regarding the Best Student Paper Award, SCUBA, Social Quorum-Based Access Control for Open IoT Environments, from Yuxuan Wang, Abhishek Chandra, and John Wiseman. While the Best Paper Award goes to Analog NAS, a neural network design framework for accurate inference with analog in-memory computing. You see the list is quite long. Haider Benzemani, Koreilam, Irem Boyabat, Malte Rash, Manuel Legallo, Xin-Yu Tsai, Ramakadran Muralidhar, Smail Niar, Kwamog Anza, Vijay Narayanan, Abu Sebastian, and Kautar Elmagraoud. Okay, the third conference is ICDH, and the awards go to the Best Student Paper Award, Self-Distilled Hierarchical Mixture of Modality Expert Transformer are Efficient Mice Sleep Learners, to Chen, Yao, Anderson, Auglund, Kjarby, Untiet, Negerad, and Luo. While the Best Paper Award goes to an automated digital biomarker of mobility, and the awardee are Hao, Yamada, Rogers, Shinkawa, Nemoto, and Arai. Okay, ICWS. This year, the ICWS committee decided to award, due to the exceptional papers that we got through and has been presented to the conference, decided to award 2 Best Student and 2 Best Paper awards. And in particular, the Best Student Paper Award, the first one goes to HSFL, Efficient and Privacy-Preserving Offloading for Split and Federated Learning in IoT Services, and the awardee are Ruyun Deng, Xindu, Zui Lu, Qiang Duan, Shi Cha Wang, and Ji Wu. The second Best Student Paper Award goes to Failure Sentient Composition for Swarm-Based Drone Services, and the awardees are Balsam Al-Quds, Atman Bugetaya, and Abdallah Lakhdari. Coming to the Best Paper Award, we have the first one, an efficient customized blockchain system for interorganizational processes from Puwei Wang, Zuxing Sun, Rui Li, Jichuan Chen, Ping Gong, and Xiaoyong Du. And the second one is for the paper titled Container Image Similarity Aware Resource Provisioning for Serverless Edge Computing. The authors are Ao Zhu, Sisi Li, Xiao Ma, Iran Zhang, and Shangwan Wang. Okay, QSW, we have 2 awards here. The Best Student Paper Award goes to an empirical study of bugs in quantum machine learning frameworks, and the authors are Pengzhang Zhao, Xiongfi Wu, Juni Lu, Zhu Li, and Yanhun Zhao. While the Best Paper Award, the Best Student Paper Award goes to, no, sorry. Okay. While the Best Paper Award goes to SCAF ML, a quantum behavioral interface specification language for scaffold, and the authors are Chen Chengin and Yanhun Zhao. Last but not least, for IEEE SEC, we have the 2 awards. The Best Student Paper Award goes to Factsheet for hardware-aware AI models, a case study of analog in-memory computing AI models, and the authors are Brandon Dominique, Katur El-Maghroui, David Piotrkowski, and Loren Herger. And the second one is for the Best Paper Award is C2 Oracle, a learning-based situation analysis servicing framework for BIoT systems. The awardees are Hongyi Bian, Wenshen Zhang, and Carl Chang. Okay, this concludes this presentation, this presentation about this 6th conference award. Let me just add on behalf of all the program committee and chairs and program general chairs that this year the level of the papers was really exceptional. So they had hard work in selecting their papers and the winner. But I would like on their behalf to thank all the authors for providing their work to our conference, and we're looking forward to your work for the conference 2024. Thank you very much.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kautar Al-Maghrawi. I'm the General Chair of the Women in Services Computing Symposium. It's my pleasure to announce the winners of the WISC Awards. So just a little bit of overview about the WISC Scholarship. This started in 2021. And the goal here is to encourage, women, both graduates and undergraduates, to pursue, computing disciplines, especially in services computing. And the applicants, we receive lots of applicants, and they're judged on their technical interests, career goals, and contributions to the STEM community. So I would like to thank, the judges who have, spent a lot of time, evaluating many of these submissions, and also special thanks to the WISC Scholarship Chair, Lorraine Herger. And so now announcing, the 2023 Student Service Award, which is the first time we give this award. And this award goes to Hajar Ben Mizian, a PhD student in France. And she's also working very closely with IBM Research as part of her thesis. Hajar, actually, she started the PhD Forum as part of WISC this year and has managed, the entire program for the PhD Forum. Congratulations to Hajar. So now the 2023 IEEE WISC Scholarship Award. So Afaf Aloulal, she's a PhD student at Polytechnic University Hauts-de-France. Arij Al-Safin, she's doing her bachelor's in computer engineering and master's in computer science. And I think she's trying to figure out if the University of Waterloo. Shifa Bouzid, she's a fresh graduate student from Al Akhawain University in Morocco. Fatima Siddiqa, she's a PhD student at Iowa State University. Rita Al-Alawi Talibi, she's pursuing a master's in data engineering and analytics in the Technical University of Munich, Germany. Ilham Kasi, she received her bachelor's and master's from the University of Sharjah, and I think currently she's pursuing a PhD in computer science at, I'm trying to read here. Yes, Iceland, okay, great. And then Kautar Benazu, she's a first year university student, and she comes from Morocco, and she's pursuing an undergraduate degree in computer science and communications in Morocco at Al Akhawain University. And Linda Ferraghi, I'm just trying to find her affiliation here. I think she's at the École Nationale Supérieure d'Informatique in Algeria. And I think she's also pursuing like a PhD. Yes, INSA. And then Miriam bin Tayyib, she's pursuing her PhD at University of Sharjah. And then Nafisa Ahmed, she's a PhD student in software engineering and at Polytechnique Montréal in Canada. And Salam Khalifa is a PhD student at Stony Brook University. And Shireen Ismail is a research assistant and a PhD candidate at the University of North Dakota, USA. And then Vedi Sinha, she's from India. And sorry, it's hard for me to figure out her affiliation. And then Xianghu Han, she is a PhD candidate at MIT. So we've had, all these candidates have exceptional, performances, and they are very active, in whatever they're doing. We've received a lot of the applicants. All of them were exceptional, but of course, we only had to select some of these applicants. So congratulations to all the awardees.
Okay, I'm the general chair of this conference, and I can only be amazed at the dazzling number of awards and papers and participants. We've had about 600 in this conference this year, half of which are in person and half virtual. And I'd like to thank all the people, many of which you just saw, who have organized these meetings, including those from IEEE who have made all this run so smoothly. Thank you very much.
I guess this is a very important thing. The whole service community want to know then where the next year's conference going to be. So here is let's wait a little bit. So next year, obviously, the conference will go to Pacific Asia area. So we're happy to announce. Just wait a little bit. Yeah, we have to announce that next year, the IEEE 2023 World Congress Service is going to be held in Shenzhen, China. So here we have a small delegation on site here to welcome people next year to Shenzhen. So myself, Michael Sheng, we're going to be the general chair. Professor Jing Fan is a PC chair, right? Yeah, so then we also have Professor Zhongjie Wang from Harbin Institute of Technology, is a major partner of this conference. So just if you're wondering where the Shenzhen is, so I think it's very close to Hong Kong. It's a beautiful city, very active, lots of fantastic things there. So I'm hope that then clearly next year, the Service Congress will be another huge success. So this is a major organizers. I think we have general chairs. I'm one of them. Also Professor Jin Zhi from Beijing University is another. So please have a look. I think if you want to volunteer yourself to be in the organization of this conference, please contact those major organizers. For students, also please contribute to this conference. I want to take the opportunity to mention that this year, actually, lots of authors from China couldn't make it the conference in Chicago because of visa issues. So we hope that next year definitely is a good news for particularly for authors in China. So welcome and see you in Shenzhen. So I guess that's it. So the delegation. So I guess then welcome to Shenzhen. We're looking for another very successful Congress service Congress this year.
Okay, this concludes our awards ceremony session. And thank you again for all the leaders that come over here on site and talk with all the attendees about their thoughts. And also congratulations again to all the awardees. And this, I can tell with my knowledge, every award category was very competitive. And no matter how many or how few, just a candidate is just very competitive. It's a good chance. I'm very glad to hear that. Then I also want to remind people that we still have a very good, exciting sessions this afternoon. Okay, in case we don't meet again, I hope everybody with the leave a very fruitful month and also can go back home safely. Okay. Look forward to see everybody again next year in Shenzhen.